I'm working. Hello. I really hope this audio sounds good because I am clueless and I don't know if I'm yelling right now. Don't forget to put on your chin strap. You never know, if you fall down, your helmet can fly off. I always put that shiz on. Alright, let's go. Always look left and right. That guy's all looking at me. Why are you looking at me like that? Just warm up the tires, warm up the brakes. Even though it's a hot ass day, I don't even think I need to do that. Okay, he's my protector. I also hope this angle isn't too low. It's crazy because I can't even see. So I've been riding for about how long? February, March, April, May, June. I guess only 3 months. I've only been riding for 3 months. Feels like I've been riding a long time already. If you have any questions about riding, whether it's like how to ride or like how to get your license, drop it in the comments down below. Look left and right. This car's not paying attention. Illegal switch in the middle of the intersection. Mom, I'm sorry. Just look around for cops first before you do anything stupid. Safe driver, always signal. Lucky light. So yeah, if you're wondering what type of bike I was on, I'm on a Ninja 400 2022. I'm lucky because my parents actually bought this for me. They surprised me and I was about to cry because I was so happy. Honestly, I'm not getting tired of this bike. People say like you'll outgrow like these 300s or 400s. It does the job. It does the job. You're on 2 wheels, can't really complain unless you're a hooligan that likes going 200 miles an hour. This is actually only a 1-lane turn, but fuck it. Just look everywhere you go. Alright, so we're gonna take the freeway. It's my auntie's birthday today. Swimming party! Alright, I be downshifting too much. Always look left and right. Alright, let's gas it. This guy's right next to me. I'm over, look in my mirror, look over again. Over again. Oh, I'm already on 6th gear. Yeah, that's the thing, like, it's a fast bike, but it's not too fast. I want to see the top speed. Let's see what we can take it to. Let's go over here. Alright. My throttle is all the way open right now. I hope you guys can still see. If you're gonna start out on a bike, there's no need to go like above a 400. I would say get comfortable on a slower bike and then move your way up. I know my talking's all over the place. I didn't realize like it's so awkward talking to yourself while you're riding. But for sure next video I'm gonna have more of like a what's the word I'm looking for? An outline, I guess. I'm already at auntie's house. Oh my god. Split. This is our exit. That full tank looks nice. Full tank on this thing, probably like 15 bucks. The manual says you can use 87 or higher. I think you're just wasting money if you're throwing 91 in there. Correct me if I'm wrong though. Why is your right signal on? This is like a left turn only or straight. Oh, there you go. Okay, here. She heard me. My fault. They heard me. If you're thinking about riding, just do it. It's super easy to get your license. It's just too fun. Loki, I'm 6 feet. This bike's pretty comfy, pretty upright. See, another fun thing about bikes. See you guys. Fast pass. Okay, I'm done. And I hope we're still recording. This is a test run. Timing is crazy. Let's practice our wheelies. Random ass street right here. I'm trying to learn how to do this shit, but oh shit. Okay, there's some brown in my pants. I don't know. I don't think I'm at that stage where you just fully commit yet, you know? Like just hold it. My balls aren't big enough yet. I mean, we'll get there though. Oh, car. I'm not gonna do it with the car there. Come on, car. Let me get my reps in. Ay, ay, ay. It's so scary. It's okay, you'll see. As my channel goes on, we'll get the wheelies down. The progression is gonna be crazy. All right, let me call my family to let me in the gate. Don't look at my phone. Why are you looking at my phone? Oh wait, someone opened it for me. Oh my god, hold on, let me put my phone in my pocket. Go in gear. Alright, we're here. I don't even know which one's the right house. Oh, ouch. My goodies. Let's see if they're at the pool. I don't even know where the pool. Oh my god, I keep. Wait, where's the pool? Oh, there it is. No one's there. I'm about to head inside the house right now. Thanks for watching my video. You're gonna see a lot more from me. Alright, see you later.